Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how to strike through on a cell in Excel. So we can strike through on a cell in three ways. One is shortcut key, second is formatting, third is format painter. So first let's see the shortcut key way. So you have to select the cell which you want to do strike through. Second, right click the cell, second press Ctrl and 5. So you can see, right, the cell has been strike through. So if you want to do multiple cells, so what you want to just select all the cells, whatever you want to do strike through, then press Control and 5. So you can see, right? So multiple cells has been strike through. So to unselect, unstrike all those cells, again do press Control and 5. So let's see. Yeah. So now all the cells has been removed. The strike through has been removed. So this is the first way. So the second way is formatting. Let's do it slowly. Yeah. First, right click the cell, go to format cells, and you can see number. So then go for alignment, then font. You can see an option called strike through. Press strike through, click OK. So now the cell has been strike through. So like this, you can select multiple cells like this, and you can go to format cells, and font and strike through. So in this way, you can strike through on multiple cells. The third is format painter. So whatever the cells you want to do the format painter, first you have to do one cell for one. First you have to strike through a cell. Then next you have to select the format painter and they have to paint it. So in this way, so we can do multiple cells also, but we can't select specific cells and you can't do it. So if you want to do is example full row, if you want to do it, so that time you can select it and do the format painting as usual. So thanks guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.